Hello. Welcome to English with Mr. and Miss. Do you want to learn English? Do you want easy English? In this video, we learn English slowly. We learn greetings. We learn numbers. We learn days of the week. We learn objects. We learn food and drinks. We learn daily activities. Listen. Repeat. Learn English with Mr. and Miss.
Hello. Hello, John.
Hello, Hannah.
Hello. My name is Hannah.
My name is John.
Nice to meet you, John.
Nice to meet you, Hannah.
Welcome to our English podcast.
Welcome.
This podcast is for English beginners.
Beginners.
We will speak slowly.
Slowly.
We will use easy English.
Easy English.
You can listen.
You can listen.
You can repeat.
Repeat.
You can learn.
Learn.
Let us start with greetings.
Greetings.
A greeting is how we say hello.
Hello.
We can say hello.
Hello.
We can say hi.
Hi.
Hello and hi are friendly.
Friendly.
We can say good morning.
Good morning.
We say good morning in the morning.
In the morning.
We can say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We say good afternoon after lunch.
After lunch.
We can say good evening.
Good evening.
We say good evening at night.
At night.
Let us practice.
Practice.
Listener, say hello.
Hello.
Good.
Good.
Say hi.
Hi.
Good job.
Good job.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Very good.
Very good.
Now we say goodbye.
Goodbye.
We can say goodbye.
Goodbye.
We can say bye.
Bye.
We can say see you.
See you.
See you means goodbye.
Goodbye.
Let us move to numbers.
Numbers.
Numbers are very important.
Important.
We start with 1.
1.
1,
1.
2,
2.
3,
3.
4,
4.
5.
5.
Let us say them again.
Again.
1,
1.
2,
2.
3,
3.
4,
4.
5.
5.
Good. Now 6,
6.
7,
7.
8,
8.
9,
9.
10.
10.
Let us practice slowly.
Slowly.
1, 2,
1. 2.
3, 4,
3. 4.
5, 6,
5. 6.
7, 8,
7. 8.
9, 10.
9. 10.
Great work!
Thank you.
You are welcome. Now we learn days of the week.
Days of the week.
There are 7 days.
7 days.
Monday,
Monday.
Tuesday,
Tuesday.
Wednesday,
Wednesday.
Thursday,
Thursday.
Friday,
Friday.
Saturday,
Saturday.
Sunday.
Sunday.
Let us say them again.
Again.
Monday,
Monday.
Tuesday,
Tuesday.
Wednesday,
Wednesday.
Thursday,
Thursday.
Friday,
Friday.
Saturday,
Saturday.
Sunday.
Sunday.
Good.
Good.
What day is it today?
Today.
Today is a day.
A day.
Listener, say the day today.
Say the day.
Good job. Now we talk about objects.
Objects.
Objects are things.
Things.
This is a book.
A book.
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 This is a pen.
A pen.
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 This is a chair.
A chair.
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 This is a table.
A table.
Let us practice.
Practice.
Say book.
Book.
Say pen.
Pen.
Say chair.
Chair.
Say table.
Table.
Good.
Good.
I have a book.
I have a book.
I have a pen.
I have a pen.
You can say I have.
I have.
Now food and drinks.
Food and drinks.
Food is what we eat.
Eat.
Drinks are what we drink.
Drink.
This is bread.
Bread.
Bread is food.
Food.
This is rice.
Rice.
This is an apple.
An apple.
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 This is water.
Water.
Water is a drink.
A drink.
This is tea.
Tea.
This is coffee.
Coffee.
Let us practice.
Practice.
Say bread.
Bread.
Say rice.
Rice.
Say apple.
Apple.
Say water.
Water.
Good.
Good.
I eat bread.
I eat bread.
I drink water.
I drink water.
Eat and drink.
Eat and drink.
Now, daily activities.
Daily activities.
Daily means every day.
Every day.
I wake up.
Wake up.
I wake up in the morning.
In the morning.
I brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I sleep at night.
I sleep at night.
Sleep is good.
Good.
Let us practice together.
Together.
Say, I wake up.
I wake up.
Say, I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Say, I go to work.
I go to work.
Say, I sleep.
I sleep.
Very good.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Now we learn to make short sentences.
Short sentences.
Hello, my name is John.
Hello, my name is John.
I eat bread.
I eat bread.
I drink water.
I drink water.
Today is Monday.
Today is Monday.
Listener, repeat after us.
Repeat.
Hello,
Hello.
my name is...
My name is...
Good job. Now a small review.
Review.
We learned greetings.
Greetings.
Hello, hi, goodbye.
Hello. Hi. Goodbye.
We learned numbers.
Numbers.
1 to 10.
1 to 10.
We learned days.
Days.
Monday to Sunday.
Monday to Sunday.
We learned objects.
Objects.
Book, pen, chair.
Book. Pen. Chair.
We learned food and drinks.
Food and drinks.
Bread, apple, water.
Bread. Apple. Water.
We learned daily activities.
Daily activities.
Wake up, eat, sleep.
Wake up. Eat. Sleep.
You did very well today.
Thank you.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you.
See you next time.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
Great job today, everyone. Thank you for learning English with Mr. and Miss. If you like this video, please click the like button. Please subscribe to the channel English with Mr. and Miss. Turn on the notification bell to get new videos. Please write a comment. Say hello or tell us what you learned today. Please share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next lesson. Bye!